Hey guys, today I will have a very quick review of this Glutamax Underarm and Inner Thigh Ultimate Skin Lightening Cream with Cell Active White Technology. Basahin natin yung nasa likod niya. This will be a very quick review. As you can see, wala na akong introduction. Let's go on with the review immediately. But first, basahin muna natin yung nasa likod niya. Sabi dito, Glutamax Underarm and Inner Thigh Cream is the ultimate solution for lightening your dark spots, powered by advanced and premier formulation from top dermatologists. Glutamax provides safe and effective skin lightening essentials for unwanted dark areas such as underarms, inner thighs, knees, elbows. Combined with intense moisturizing ingredients, Glutamax helps reduce the appearance of cellulites and stretch marks, leaving your skin soft and smooth. Ito naman yung mga kiniklaim niyang gagawin. First one is that it will lighten sensitive areas such as dark underarm, inner thighs, knees, and elbows. The second one is it reduces the appearance of cellulites. Number 3, it minimizes stretch marks. Number 4, it improves skin's firmness. Number 5, delays hair growth. Number 6, and the last one is soften and smoothen skin. First, marami siyang kiniklaim na ginagawa, and I've been using this product for almost, I started at April. So, April, May, June, July. So, it's been 3 months since I've been using this product. And I have a love and hate relationship with this one because masyado kaming maraming pinagdaanan. Hugot kami nitong Glutamax na to. But my basic impression sa kanya nung umpisa is that after a week of applying this on my inner thighs, kasi yun ang medyo problem area ko ngayon because of the weight that I have, no? So, nagkaroon ako ng problema sa inner thighs that I have parang dark spots. Yung mga pimples na natuyo na, tapos may dark spots siya. So, yun ang nilalighten ko. At the same time, yung medyo darkening lang ng onte with the sa inner thighs ko. Yun ang basic na pinagamitan ko sa kanya. And during a week's time na ginagamit ko siya, nagkaroon ako ng konting redness. So, hindi konti. As in, super redness. Kung ito yung inner thighs, lahat yan red. As in, lahat red. Lahat ng ina-applyan ko ng product na to, it became red. In other words, nagkaroon ako ng irritation sa kanya. And then, after a week of using the product, tumigil ako. Tumigil ako sa paggamit sa kanya kasi nga, masakit, mahapde, and bakit, di ba? Bakit ganon? And then, after a week naman of not applying the product, medyo naglighten na yung redness. And then, for the sake of, you know, having a review of this product, kinontinue ko yung paggamit sa kanya. And, during that time, after the redness has surpassed, o natapos na yung redness period ko, ayun na, medyo naglighten na siya ng kaunti. And, pero, hindi siya ganun ka-lighten eh. So, to sum it all up, guys, this is a good product for a maintenance for your underarm or for inner thighs or any area na pinaputi nyo na and you want to have a maintenance. Ganun ang basically na nagawa niya. Kasi, if it lightens, yes, it does, pero very minimal lang. For example, ito yung aking dark. Ganito ka-dark yung aking inner thighs. Ayan, ganyan ka-dark yung aking inner thighs. At this time, ganito na siya ka-lighten. Itong red na to. So, may may improvement naman sa inner thighs ko. So, from very dark, naging ganito na siya ka-light. So, ganun yung improvement ng aking inner thighs as of the moment. So, with a 3 months time, I think it's a good product to use for maintenance. Plus, if you really have time to commit with this product or talagang gusto nyo siyang, gusto nyong pumuti yung inner thighs nyo or yung underarms nyo or any dark areas that you have, na you have time or hindi kayo masyado nagmamadali, it's a good product to try on kasi I've seen improvements in my inner thigh problems and yun. So basically, it does whiten but it takes a long period of time before it does. So yun. Next one, yung kanyang appearance of cellulites. I didn't see any difference sa cellulites kasi nga, as you see my body, I have a big body and does it improve my cellulites in that area kasi ginagamit ko rin siya. Kung ito yung aking vajayjay, yan, so dito ginagamit ko rin siya. Ayan, itong area to. And absolutely, because I'm a bit mataba, talagang may cellulites yan. And I didn't see any improvement in cellulites. as well as stretch marks. So I've been using this also in my stretch marks, and I didn't see any difference at all on that. Skin firmness, ayun din. Kasi pag firm ang skin nyo, wala kang cellulite. So basically, it's just the same. And then, delays hair growth, I didn't see any of that kasi hindi ko naman siya ginagamit sa the JJ area ko that has hair. So, I didn't see any of that. It's moisturizing. It does not moisturize at all. It's not moisturizing enough. Unlike yung ginagamit ko dati na pampaputi, which is the petroleum jelly, just to have a moisture on that area para mag-improve yung whitening effect ng ginagamit kong produkto dati. Yun, talagang moisturizing yun. But this one is just a minimal lotion, parang lotion yung dating niya, but it's not moisturizing enough for me. So, yun ang napansin ko sa kanya. If it lighten, it does, pero very, very matagal, okay? If you have time to wait for it to whiten, this is a good product to try. Again, guys, this is I forgot to tell you, this is 199 pesos that you can buy. Pwede nyo bilhin siya sa SM, sa Robinsons, meron siya sa Pure Gold, meron din siya. So, very accommodating siya bilhin. I'm still using this product, but pag natapos ko to, I don't think I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna use a different thing naman for a review also, but eto, hindi ko masyadong nagustuhan yung whitening effect niya kasi masyadong matagal. Mas effective pa yung ginagawa ko pampaputing noon kasi kaya lang medyo marami yung product na ginagamit ko noon, pero it's not, makikita nyo kagad yung difference. A month's time lang, makikita nyo na yung difference ng inner thighs nyo and underarms nyo. So, mas effective yun for me. Pero, ang gagawin ko sa kanya, pag nag-whiten na yung inner thighs ko or nawala na yung talaga darkening in that area, absolutely, I will repurchase this just to have a maintenance on my inner thighs. So, yun ang gagawin ko sa kanya. So, if I will rate it, I would rate this a good 7. Maganda siya if you have time again. Pero kung nagmamadali kayo magpaputi ng inner thighs at marami, kunyari, mag-swimming kayo on all that, it's not a good product to try kasi matagalan siyang gamitin. So, yeah, basically, yun lang. Basically, that's it for this review. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you have more questions, tanong lang kayo sa ating comment bars, and yeah, any violent reactions, good reactions, questions, comment bars lang, guys. And also, if you like this video, please do give it a big thumbs up. And also, kung bago kayo dito sa channel ko at di pa kayo nagsasubscribe, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and be part of my family. Please follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. I'll be linking that in the description box. Thank you very much, guys, for watching this video, and I hope you enjoy. Have a great day and happy day too. Bye! I'll see you soon!